Dr. Davey. Greetings from Joe's Bar on Weed Street. I am here for the second annual Sam's Fun Cornhole for Cancer Survivors Bags Tourney. I'm super excited. As you just saw, we presented Sam earlier tonight with some custom cornhole sets for the third annual fundraiser that's going to be coming up next year. But before we jump the gun, let's talk about tonight. We've got a fantastic night with over 100 people that pre-registered for our round robin bags tourney. We've got some great prizes, including an autographed Blackhawks jersey from defensive lineman Campbell, whose first name I cannot recall right now. We've got an Odyssey boat cruise for 2 on Lake Michigan. We've got all kinds of food and restaurant gift certificates, card packages, a murder mystery party for 20 that you can host at the time of your choosing and choose from over 40 different themed murder parties. And all of it is for a great cause. We are raising money tonight to benefit the SAM Fund, which stands for Surviving and Moving Forward. It benefits young adult cancer survivors, and it was founded in 2003 by Samantha Watson, who is a 2-time cancer survivor herself. So come out and join us tonight on Joe's on Weed Street from 6:30 to 9:30 for a great night of cornhole, cocktails, and fun, all to benefit a great cause. See you later!